themselves in the ways of mathematics.
I am the wizard Malgaroth the Black. Black because I hate everything. Well, almost everything. So I guess Malgaroth the really dark grey. But what I hate most of all is mathematics, and I will ensure that you little pests learn no mathematics at all.
I am Bertram the Bald, and I am here to defend this math kingdom against all its enemies.
My son the king has such excellent ideas. So, if we are to create this glorious math kingdom, follow me to the library so we can have our math lessons. Lords and ladies, welcome to another fabulous math lesson. Today, His Royal Majesty the King has commanded that you remember and use multiplication and division facts for the 2, 5, and 10 times tables. He has also commanded that you solve problems involving multiplication and division using arrays. Well, it seems as if we are going to have a lot of work to do today. So, let's get started.
Sir Bertram, you and your men should be more than enough to defeat this evil wizard. Go forth! My royal subjects, it is time for you to fetch your whiteboard and your markers.
Lords and ladies, I do hope you fetched your whiteboard and your marker as His Majesty commanded. Very good. Now, do you remember what an array is? I see that many of you do not. Remember, an array is a picture set out in a pattern that represents a multiplication and a division. Copy this array onto your whiteboard. There are 6 circles. They are arranged in columns of 2. There are 3 rows. So, 3 groups of 2. How can we write this as a multiplication? Good. 3 groups of 2 can be written as 3 times 2. And we know that 3 times 2 is 6. There are 6 circles altogether. 3 times 2 is 6. Now, this array also represents a division. We have 6 circles which have been divided into groups of 2. So what division fact can we write to go with this picture? All right, now some of you have forgotten this. Remember, in a division, we start with the biggest number. we start with how much we have together. So your first number should be 6. We have divided 6 into groups of 2. So it's 6 divided by 2. Good. 6 divided into groups of 2 gives us 3 groups. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Let's try another one.
Right, Knight. These fights of ours are really dragging along. Snuggles, get him!
Lords and ladies, copy this array onto your whiteboard. Can you write the multiplication and the division sum to go with this array? Notice that there are 5 rows, and each row has 3 circles in it. Count carefully. What multiplication sum goes with this array? Good. 3 rows of 5. 3 times 5. 15 circles altogether. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. What about the division sum? Remember, the largest number comes first. Good. 15 circles divided into groups of 5 gives us 3 groups. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Excellent. One more. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of circles in this array. There are 6 rows. And each row has 10 circles in it. 6 rows. And each row has 10 circles in it. If you can work out the multiplication and division sums to go with this array without copying the array, go ahead and do that. If you think it will help you to draw the array first and then do the multiplication and division sum, go ahead and do it that way. It is your choice. Six rows of circles with 10 circles in each row. Good. Very good. Almost all of you have already worked out the multiplication sum. 6 times 10 equals 60. Go ahead and do the division. Impressive! Yes, almost all of you remembered that the largest number comes first. 60 divided by 10 is 6. His Majesty Majesty continues to be pleased and astonished at the progress that you have made. Please keep it up.
So, did you defeat the dragon?
Dragon? What dragon?
Hey!
How could it be? Snuggles, how could you lose to that idiot? Oh, no treats for you tonight.
Well done, my subjects. Keep going forth to conquer more now.